In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini on a Samsung phone. First, open the Gemini app. If you haven't already installed Gemini, head over to the Play Store, search for Gemini, and tap the download button. This is crucial because the app must be on your phone to use it. Once the app is installed, you can find it in your app drawer. When you open Gemini, you will see a clean interface that welcomes you to explore its features. This initial step sets the stage for everything else you will do in the app. You are now ready to engage with Gemini's capabilities. Next, let's ask a question. Tap the text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can input your queries. Once you see the blinking cursor, type your question. Be clear and concise to get the best response. After typing your question, tap Send. This action is important as it directs Gemini to process your request. You will see the screen update as it prepares an answer. This gives you instant feedback that your question has been received, making the experience interactive. Now let's try using voice. Begin by tapping the microphone icon on the screen. This feature allows you to speak your request instead of typing it. It's a convenient way to interact, especially if you're on the go. Once you tap the icon, speak clearly into your phone. Wait for Gemini's response after you finish speaking. This method can save you time and makes asking questions feel more natural. Remember, voice commands can sometimes lead to quicker results, so don't hesitate to use them. After that, let's upload a photo or file. Start by opening the Gemini app again. Once you have it open, look for the plus icon on the screen. This icon is your gateway to adding images or documents. Tap on it and you will see options like camera, gallery, files, or drive. Choose the item that you want to upload. For example, if you want to take a new picture, select camera. If you want to use an existing photo, select gallery. After selecting the item, enter your prompt. This helps Gemini understand what you want from the uploaded content. Finally, tap Send to complete the process. With these steps, you have learned how to use Gemini on your Samsung phone effectively. Each action you take within the app enhances your ability to interact with its features. By asking questions, using voice commands, and uploading files, you are maximizing the benefits of Gemini. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try these methods repeatedly. You will become more comfortable with the app and its capabilities over time. Now that you've gone through the essential functions of Gemini, feel free to explore other features on your own. Getting familiar with the app will open up even more possibilities. Thank you for following along and enjoy using Gemini on your Samsung phone.